So anyway, my camera got cut off. Such a cheap phone I have here. So I got everything I need. I got my tools I just bought online. I'm just waiting for them. I got my tires here. That's about it, yo. So I'm just trying to fix my tires, trying to change it. Hopefully it all work out, yo. I never had any experience to fix motorcycles. So this is like my first time. And I also bought this. A handlebar mount, and I'm trying to make this thing work. I got my old GoPro, so I'm gonna use these. I guess I got everything I need. I just have to wait for the tools I bought online, and that's about it, yeah. Alright, don't forget to check me out, yeah. Peace.